Hey guys, today I'm going to show you where the fuel pump fuse is located on this 2011 Dodge Journey. If this video is helpful, can you smash that thumbs up button and leave a comment down below for the algorithm? Really helps out a lot. First thing we need to do is pop our hood. Right here is our under the hood fuse box. So we're going to lift up on this tab and this tab, and you can pop the cover off. There's a diagram on the back of here to tell you what fuses and relays are what. It's going to tell you that this 20 amp fuse right here is your fuel pump fuse. I will have some of these fuses linked down in the description below where you can get them online. They're not a standard mini fuse. I'll have these linked down below. So again, right here, this 20 amp fuse is for your fuel pump. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, smash that thumbs up button. Leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm. Thank you for watching and have a good one.